Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday said that various authorities are working in sync at different levels to ensure that the novel coronavirus does not spread through the country. In a series of Twitter messages, the Prime Minister assured that no stone is being left unturned to ensure that people remain healthy. The Prime Minister said doctors, nurses and healthcare workers are putting great efforts to fight COVID-19 and this contribution will always be cherished. He stressed that it is being ensured that everyone is healthy and those showing symptoms get proper care. He also stated that it is a united response from everyone and this shows the strong spirit of the country in such adverse situations. COVID-19 has extended its footprint in India, with Odisha reporting its first coronavirus patient on Monday and one new case each in Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir and also in Kerala, taking the total count to 114 now. The tally of 114 includes 17 foreigners as well. While 2 people have died, 13 people were discharged after they recovered from the infection. With the 4 new patients, Odisha has a count of 1, Kerala 23, Ladakh 4 and Jammu and Kashmir 3 positive cases.
Four new cases, 1 each from Odisha, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Kerala have been confirmed since the last update given to you. There are now a total of 114 confirmed cases in India as on today, including 13 cured and 2 reported deaths. Contact tracing activity of these positive cases has led to identification of more than 5,200 contacts which are kept under surveillance. We require a whole of society and a whole of government approach to deal with COVID-19 disease. जैसे कि मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें समाज और संपूर्ण सरकार इस मोड में काम कर COVID-19 को कंट्रोल करना होगा.
The Ministry of External Affairs has launched helplines for those seeking assistance amid coronavirus outbreak. The MEA has been pulling out all stops to ensure the safety of Indians abroad and has set up a special cell to coordinate on issues related with the response to the pandemic that has claimed more than 5,000 lives worldwide. India's helplines for COVID-19 control centers are open and these numbers are: for the control room, the toll-free number is 1800118797. I repeat, 1800118797. While the other numbers are 1123012113, 23014104 and 23017905.
Of the MEA COVID control room, which has now become operational 24/7, the details of which have been intimated to all of you. And the function of the control room is to respond to the concerns of all Indians within the country and also from abroad. So this will be operational 24/7 and our officers are there to tackle any issue that will come in course of time.
Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has banned gathering of more than 50 people at a place as part of its efforts to combat the rapidly spreading novel coronavirus. The order covers all social, political, cultural, religious as well as family events. The ban, however, does not apply to weddings. The Chief Minister has asked people to voluntarily avoid weddings.
जिम, नाइट क्लब्स, स्पाज इनको भी 31 मार्च तक बंद करने के ऑर्डर्स दिए जा रहे हैं और दूसरी जो भी गैदरिंग्स हैं, अदर गैदरिंग्स, 50 से ज़्यादा गैदरिंग्स, चाहे रिलीजियस, सोशल, फैमिली, पॉलिटिकल, कल्चरल, ऐसे कोई भी गैदरिंग अलाउ नहीं की जाएगी 50 से ज़्यादा. अभी इसमें शादी को एक्सक्लूड किया गया है, लेकिन हमारी अपील है सबसे कि अगर हो सके तो शादी की डेट्स को पोस्टपोन कर दें.
Also, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has announced that the state government will bear all expenses of the treatment of any patient who tests positive for coronavirus in the state. Making a statement on the floor of the assembly, Nitish Kumar said the treatment cost will be provided from the Chief Minister's relief fund.
नोवेल कोरोना वायरस से संक्रमित मरीजों के इलाज का पूरा खर्च का वहन राज्य सरकार करेगी। मुख्यमंत्री चिकित्सा सहायता कोष से इसका वहन करेगी, सारा खर्च जो भी खर्च होगा। साथ ही इस रोग से किसी की मृत्यु हो जाती है दुर्भाग्यवश, तो उनके निकटतम आश्रित को मुख्यमंत्री राहत कोष से 4 लाख रुपए की मदद दी जाएगी।
The Tamil Nadu government has also announced closure of all educational institutions, theatres, malls and also resorts in the state. These will remain closed until the 31st of March. The order came a day after the government declared holidays for kindergarten and primary sections till the end of this month in view of the coronavirus outbreak. A fourth batch of 53 Indians were evacuated from Iran on Monday. They were rescued from Tehran and Shiraz cities of Iran. Till now, a total of 389 Indians have been brought back to India from Iran. The government also evacuated 218 Indian nationals from Milan in Italy who arrived in Delhi on Sunday morning. With this, a total of 1,497 Indians have been evacuated from abroad till now, which also includes 776 from China, 124 from Japan, 389 from Iran so far, and 218 from Italy. The government has also prohibited entry of passengers from EU countries, the European Free Trade Association, Turkey, as well as the United Kingdom from the 18th till the 31st of March. After a meeting of the group of ministers on coronavirus on Monday, the government has proposed to set up social distancing measures to be in force until the 31st of March. In addition, anyone coming or transiting via UAE, Qatar, Oman and Kuwait will also have to undergo essential quarantine for 14 days on the first port of their arrival in India, also from the 18th to the 31st of March. Borders with Pakistan have been sealed completely. The Indian Embassy and Consulate based in Washington, D.C. and New York have closed, respectively, walk-in consular services with effect from 16th of March. Meanwhile, a separate travel advisory for Indians travelling back to India and students living in USA has also been released along with helpline numbers. All Indians in the USA have also been advised to restrict their internal travels. And in the wake of the coronavirus spread in India, the Sai Baba Sansthan Trust has urged devotees of Shirdi Sai Baba to postpone their visit to the sacred temple for a few weeks till the threat subsides. They have requested people to avoid public gatherings and crowds in the temple premises. In Assam as well, the Kamakhya temple has started providing visitors with hand sanitizers and also decided to temporarily stop the daily food offering from Tuesday onwards. Meanwhile, in Mumbai, the Siddhi Vinayak temple will remain closed for devotees till further notice in view of the coronavirus outbreak in Maharashtra. The Vaishno Devi Shrine Board has also issued an advisory asking NRIs and foreigners not to visit the temple for 28 days after landing in India. In another development, Central and Western Railways has ordered withdrawal of blankets and curtains from AC coaches as they are not washed every day. The Railway Board has also instructed that the minimum temperature in the coaches be set at 24 to 25 degrees Celsius. Rajya Sabha took up a special mention on the coronavirus crisis in the country. Trinamool Congress MP Derek O'Brien said MPs must spread word about precautions to fight the virus. BJP MP Vikas Mahatme urged people to avoid visiting public places, including religious places. Chairman Naidu also urged people to not believe in rumours, follow good practices and hygiene.
I think the idea is all of us in positions of small office, big office, have to spread the word. And today, sir, we ourselves in Parliament.
Sanitization of the bank ATMs is extremely important, sir. At the moment, there is no such precaution. Secondly is regarding social distancing, sir. Testing, sir, very important. Across the country, there are 51 testing labs with a total capacity of 4,590 tests. Sir, this capacity needs to be increased going forward.
कि जो भी हमारी श्रद्धा है उसके साथ हम जुड़े रहे, लेकिन घर में ही ये बात रहे, बाहर तक के सबको जमा न करे। यज्ञ के लिए मैंने देखा है कि काफ़ी लोग तैयार हुए हैं, 500,000, तो वैसा न हो।
जितने भी एंट्री गेट हैं पार्लियामेंट के, उन सब पर स्क्रीनिंग की व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए।
I know from the government whether the government is willing to adjourn the session. If they are very much interested in passing the budget, they can pass it by bringing it a appropriation bill that they can pass, and then the parliament can be adjourned. If not today, tomorrow, day after this, it should be adjourned. That is it.
उचित समय पे जो रूमर्स चल रहे, वो रूमर्स में कुछ ग्रामर है नहीं है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सरकार के द्वारा, ICMR के द्वारा स्पष्टीकरण दिए तो जनता के लिए फायदामंद होगा।
Talking about the coronavirus outbreak in other parts of the world, Europe continues to be the epicenter of the novel coronavirus infection, with the death toll crossing 2,300 and the number of confirmed cases on the continent at 55,155 so far. In Italy, 368 deaths were recorded on Sunday, making it the highest one-day death toll in the country. The number of infections has reached nearly 25,000, while 1,800 people have died so far in the country. In Spain, over 1,000 new cases of coronavirus were registered in the past 24 hours, raising its total to 9,191 cases. More than 300 people have died of the viral infection in the country so far. In France, the virus has infected more than 5,000 people and killed 127 so far. Schools, cafes, and a range of businesses have been shut down across the country. Iran continues to be the worst hit country in the Middle East, with nearly 15,000 confirmed cases. The death toll in the Islamic Republic from the new coronavirus has also reached 853, with 129 new deaths reported on Monday. While in China, the death toll rose to 3,213, with 14 new deaths reported on Monday. The deadly coronavirus has killed over 6,500 people across the world and has infected nearly 175,000 people globally.